Привіт-привіт, my dear Ukrainian language lovers. Мене звати Інна. My name is Інна. Вітаю вас на каналі Speak Ukrainian. Welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. Do you ever get confused between вже та shche? These small words are very important, but their meanings are completely different. In this video lesson, I'm going to explain you how to use them correctly with examples. But before we start, I would like to ask you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave a comments about it. Ну що, почнімо? Let's get started. Okay, the meaning of the word вже. Вже means already in the Ukrainian language. And it is used when something has happened or changed by a certain moment. So let's have some приклади. Приклади means examples. Я вже поїв. I have already eaten. Фільм вже почався. The movie has already started. Тобі вже 18 років? You are already 18 years old? Так. So, я вже поїв, фільм вже почався, тобі вже 18 років. Okay. So, a small tip. Вже often indicates completion or transition from one state to another. So, pay attention. It's important. Okay. The second word, shche. Shche. Yeah, we have here the letter sh. Sh. Shche. Shche. The word shche means yet or still in the Ukrainian language, depending on the context. It is used when something continues or when we expect something to happen. Let's have our приклади, examples. Я ще їм. I'm still eating. Фільм ще не почався. The movie hasn't started yet. Тобі ще немає 18 років. You're not 18 yet. Okay, yeah, so you see the difference between вже and shche. Так, фільм вже почався. The movie has already started. І фільм ще не почався. Again, yeah, ще we use in the negative sentences. The movie hasn't started yet. Yeah, so tip. Shche is often used with the negative, yeah? Ще не, not yet, and to express continuation. Okay, let's compare вже and shche. Sometimes these words are used in opposite meanings, creating contrast. That's a very good thing to remember. Okay, let's see. Вже versus shche. In the positive sentences. Він вже тут. He is already here. Він вже тут. Він ще тут. He is still here. Він вже тут. He is already here. Він ще тут. He is still here. Okay. Вже versus ще in the negative sentences. Let's compare. Він вже не тут. He is not here anymore. Він ще не тут. He is not here yet. Do you see the difference? Okay. And a tip. Yeah. So, вже не, так, не is the particle, is a negative particle, that means not. Вже не, something was true, but isn't anymore. Pay attention. And ще не, something hasn't happened yet, but will in the future. Okay, guys, now you know how to use вже and shche correctly in the Ukrainian language. Please try making your own sentences using these two small but very important words. Write them in the comments below. I will check them out. If you still have lots of confusion about the Ukrainian language, so guys, I highly recommend you. I invite you to check out my online language school Speak Ukrainian. You can join the online language course from an absolute beginner to a confident speaker. I launched this course in 2021 and more than 1,000 students completed this course, and now they are confident speakers of the Ukrainian language. It is very convenient because you can watch the video lessons anytime. You can do the exercises, you can do online quizzes, you will have workbook. Also, there is a very good methodist who will support you in the chat. You will have speaking sessions. This is the best Ukrainian online language course on the web. Or if it's not for you and you feel that you need more one-on-one interaction, then you can book a trial lesson with one of my professional teachers from Ukraine. Also, I have textbooks, flashcards. Me and my big team, we work very hard to make the learning of the Ukrainian language fun and easy for you. Дуже дякую. Thank you so much, especially to my patrons, to my supporters. Thank you so much. You inspire me to create more and more useful video lessons for you. Дуже дякую. Thank you so much. І слава Україні!